There was no motion today. The noise was being made on yesterday's event. That is not the rule of the House. Yesterday's motion has been already decided by Speaker. The issue is over. If they wanted something, they should have moved motion today. Today there was no motion, so this noise was only for purpose of taking a cheap publicity, because Monday we are answering the full question. And as far as fish is concerned, fish has been banned yesterday, day before yesterday, from entering into the state, importing into the state. Yesterday we have day before yesterday we have returned 7 trucks. Yesterday we have already returned 1 truck back. So there is no, I'm not saying the fish was polluted or something or treated, but there is no question of any pollution or a health problem as of now. Monday I will reply the answer.
Calling attention enough time
speaker calling attention रुलाप्रमाणे दितलो नाही. थोडे जास्त दिते महत्वाचा विषय.
Do you think there is shortage of fish in the state?
Shortage of fish is not a problem. Problem was only about getting outside fish in the state. That has been done from day before yesterday night.
Today there was no motion, but yesterday there was a motion, right?
So that was yesterday. No, yesterday there was a calling attention also. So Speaker had allowed calling attention. That you have to ask Speaker. It is up to Speaker to decide. 1 minute. As per rule, Speaker allowed calling attention yesterday. Motion also was yesterday without asking for suspension of question hour. It was wrongly drafted. Probably the rules are not properly